Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Study Studio. So today we are going to learn in this video about lines and stalks. We have two types of pattern. One is line pattern, second is curve pattern. So this is line pattern and this is curve pattern. Line patterns. There are 5 types of line pattern. Number 1 is standing line. Second is sleeping line. Third is right slanting line. Fourth is left slanting line. Fifth one is up and down. So once again I repeat it. Standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line, up and down. Now let's move towards a curve pattern. Number 1 is left curve. Second is right curve, third is up curve, fourth is down curve, and fifth one is round curve. Once again, I repeat all these types of curve pattern: left curve, right curve, up curve, down curve, and round curve. These all patterns are also called stalks. These all patterns are also called stalks, and these all patterns are very important to learn and practice for writing alphabets. So this is the standing line, this is the sleeping line, this is the right slanting line, then left slanting line, and up and down, up and down. So these are the curves: left curve, right curve, up curve, down curve, and round. Strokes. So strokes are divided into two categories. Number 1 is straight curve and second is curved line. So straight lines are classified into 3 categories. Number 1 is standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. So these are the strokes of straight lines. Strokes of slanting line. These are divided into 2 categories. Number 1 is left slanting line, right slanting line. Now move towards the strokes of curved lines. So number 1 is left curved line, right curved lines, up curved lines, down curved lines. So how many strokes of curved lines? These are 4. Left curved, right curved, up curved, and down curved lines. Now move towards the worksheet. Look at this worksheet. So this is the standing line. This is the standing line. This is the left slanting line. This is the left slanting line. Right slanting line, it goes straight down. It goes straight down. It goes straight down. It goes straight down. Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. So this is the left curve. So join these dots. Right slanting line, right slanting line. This is the left curve. This is the left curve. This is the right curve. This is the right curve. Down curve. This is up curve, up curve, up curve. Round, 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 round. Up and down, 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 and up. Now this is the last one, is curvy lines, like a wave. So trace it slowly and down, up and down. That's beautiful, and tracing every day will make you writing neat and strong.